Hello students, in these testing times also we all are together. No COVID, nothing can separate us. We are always together, caring and sharing for each other. On this eve of Teachers' Day, I would like to share a very emotional thought with you that without you people, the school is like a body without heart and soul. So we all are expecting you sometime in near future, and I want to express my feelings for you by saying few lines. So those days when we were together, they have become nostalgic without you children. Even Teachers' Day is not worth without you children. Now we all teachers realize that what is life without you children. So I hope we'll meet soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and always feel proud to be a Chinarian. Thank you.
Dear students, work hard, dream big, and never give up, and never stop learning. We all will meet very soon. Until then, stay home and stay safe.
I am a teacher. I don't need a cape because I am lifted by my amazing students. So miss you all and hope we'll meet.
Dear students, Mahatma Gandhi said, the future depends on what you do today. If you believe yourself, then everything is possible. Someone said, कौन कहता है कि आसमान में छेद नहीं होता? कौन कहता है कि आसमान में छेद नहीं होता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. So do yourself, do work in your full spirit. God bless you all.
Dear students, be a good human who helps everyone. Be an honest soul, be happy always, be a hard worker. Success and happiness will find you. Stay healthy, stay safe.
गुरु की महिमा क्या कहे, निर्मल गुरु से ही होए, बिन गुरुवर जीवन कटु हंसा होए. गुरु ज्ञान का पर्याय है, उसकी महिमा का क्या बखान करें. जिसके जीवन में गुरु का आशीष नहीं, उसका जीवन एक कड़वे फल की तरह. नमस्कार. शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. इस अवसर पर मैं आपके समक्ष कविता प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है गुरु. गुरु की ऊर्जा सूर्य से अंबर सा विस्तार, गुरु की गरिमा से बड़ा नहीं कहीं आकार. गुरु का सानिध्य ही जग में है उपहार, प्रश्तर को क्षण क्षण गढ़े मूरत हो तैयार. गुरु वशिष्ठ होते नहीं और न विश्वामित्र, तुम्हें बताओ राम का होता प्रखर चरित्र.
Hello students, we all are missing you a lot and waiting to see all of you sitting in the classroom. Students, whatever the present situation is, you always remain hopeful and cheerful. Stay blessed and stay safe.
Hello students. I hope that you are safe and fine at home. And on this Teachers' Day, we are going to express our love and feelings for you through a short poem. And it is true also. We don't have any identity without you. Because of you only we are called teachers. School is a building without you children. Playground is barren without you children.
Classrooms are silent without you children. Teachers' Day is not worth without you children.
Water points are crowdless without you children. Display boards are speechless without you children.
Display boards are speechless without you children. It's cheerless celebration of festivals without you children.
Classroom seems haunted without you children. Water points are waiting to be brimmed again children. Our lives are completely derailed without meeting you children. And on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish you keep on smiling and stay happy, my dear children.
Now I realize what is this life without you children, longing on to meet you soon, oh my dear children. Please stay safe, stay at home, and wish your parents a very happy Teachers' Day also, because first teacher is always our parent and grandparents. Thank you so much. Bye bye.